Welcome to the Natural Solutions for Bipolar Disorder course. In this course, you are going to learn what is bipolar disorder, the different types of bipolar disorder, and you're going to understand what the root cause of your bipolar disorder is. We go over testing, diagnostic imaging, so that you're empowered to find the answers to why you feel the way you feel. The most exciting part about this course is you're going to actually learn integrative supports for actually managing your bipolar disorder. We talk about the bipolar disorder diet. You're going to learn about neurotransmitters and bipolar disorder, how they affect your mood, and what to do about it. Did you know there's tons of supplements and nutrients that can be helpful to relieve depression and to also calm down mania? If you've been looking for solutions to figuring out what you can do about your bipolar disorder, this is the answer for you. Let's go into the course now. So when you register for the course, you're going to land on the welcome page. We have 3 modules. In each module, you're going to get a video and it comes with a workbook. The videos are on average pretty long. Like this one's about 15 minutes and some of the other ones are a little bit longer. We make it clear, understandable, and you guys, the workbook is beautiful. You just simply click on this link and it will download onto your computer and you're going to have access to this for life. This is a 44-page workbook. It's jam-packed with my best strategies for actually helping you turn the page in bipolar disorder. And so while we're in here together, I wanted to show you a few of the things that you're going to get when you get this class. So if we scroll down here to the end, the beginning, like we said, is all about bipolar disorder, what it is, what are the different types, so you can get the answers that you're looking for. We teach you about force field strategies, and you can learn more about how force field strategies work by going back to our page and learning about Jared conquering his bipolar disorder. And then you're going to get access to all of these strategies and treatments. And look how backed up this is. This is all backed up in actual research and science. And so if you're looking for the solutions to your bipolar disorder, if you're looking for answers as to what you can do to stabilize your moods, this is the thing for you. And so just to finish up here, here's just one of the snapshots of what you're going to get is there's inflammation as one of the root causes of bipolar disorder, and getting inflammation down in the brain can be really profoundly helpful. So if you're struggling with bipolar disorder, this is the course for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Nicole Cain. Learn more about me and the amazing research that we're doing to help you get your life back by going to www.drnicolecain.com. Thanks for watching.